Hi everyone, it's Elson from IMF and EDB Computer Repair. What we provide is computer service. If you have viruses or any type of computer problem, we can fix it. Also, we provide marketing. A lot of us small business owners and large business owners are having a hard time getting new customers. So me and my partner, Patrick, decided to come up with a way that we can, one, cost efficient, having that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars for marketing. Two, getting those customers to your door and on your phone. In this way that we can provide good service face to face, talk to you, find out what do you need to get your business running. In fact, if we help you get your business running, we also look good. So it's a win-win for both companies. We're not trying to sugarcoat or sell anything to you. We're just trying to help you. It's not about getting rich today. It's about building clients, building relationships, having people understand that marketing doesn't have to be an arm and a leg to be successful, but in a way that you can grow. As you grow, we grow. We are here to help you find your next adventure, your next customer, your satisfaction. Let's work together. Here in IMF and EDB Computer Repair, we are a one-stop shop. We help you fix your computers, network, virus, and also help you get those customers in. You just don't pay a computer company just to come in and do stuff and have money fly out the door. Why don't we help you get some in too? So try us today. Simple. 561 202 7001. Try us out. Plus, we're giving 2 weeks free advertisement. Can't beat it. Can't hurt. Call. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And remember, IMF, Internet Marketing Firm, EDB, Computer Repair. Also, repairs your computers, fix your networks, get your servers up. Anything that you need. We also can provide Wi-Fi, internet, and fiber straight to your business. A lot of things we do. Call today. Trust me, it's well worth it. 561 202 7001. Can't hurt. We are like you, small business, trying to make it in today's society. Thank you.